Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and make decisions like humans, or even better. This isn't the future, it's happening now. Welcome to Machine Learning with AI by Hachion, where we'll unravel the mysteries behind the technology shaping our world. Stay tuned as we explore how machines learn, the algorithms driving innovation, tools empowering developers, and a glimpse into the incredible future of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing every industry, from healthcare to entertainment. But what makes AI so powerful? The answer lies in machine learning, a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. In this session, we'll demystify machine learning, cover its popular algorithms, explore essential tools, and uncover its exciting future. Let's begin our journey. Machine learning is like teaching a machine how to fish. It learns and adapts to catch the right outcomes over time. But how does it work? Step 1. Data collection. The foundation of machine learning is data, lots of it. This includes structured data like spreadsheets or unstructured data like images and text. Step 2. Data pre-processing. Raw data needs to be cleaned and organized, ensuring accuracy. Think of this as prepping ingredients before cooking a recipe. Step 3. Training the model. The machine learns using algorithms. During training, the model identifies patterns and relationships within the data. Step 4. Testing and evaluation. We then check how good it is on new, unseen data and refine it according to how well it does. Step 5. Deployment. Now we deploy the model into real applications, such as predicting trends or recommending things based on your preferences. Let's dive into the brains behind machine learning, its algorithms. Here are some of the popular ones you should know. Linear regression, perfect for predicting continuous outcomes, such as house prices or stock trends. Decision trees, a visual approach to decision-making, broadly used in risk analysis and game theory. Neural networks, it's the backbone of deep learning that mimics how the human brain recognizes images and voice. Support vector machines, SVMs, ideal for classification problems, such as spam email detection. K-means clustering, helps group data into clusters that often find usage in customer segmentation and market research. These algorithms, together with sound datasets, are what give AI its transformative clout. Machine learning wouldn't be where it is today without powerful tools and frameworks. Here are a few game changers. TensorFlow, developed by Google, this open-source framework is highly suitable for deep learning projects. PyTorch, favorite among researchers for its flexibility and dynamic computation. Scikit-learn, absolutely perfect for beginners, as they can work with simple tools for data pre-processing and classical ML algorithms. Keras is built for ease of use. Keras is excellent for prototyping deep learning models. Jupyter Notebooks, the go-to platform for interactive coding, visualization, and experimentation. These tools democratized machine learning, making it accessible to both novices and experts. What's next for machine learning and AI? The possibilities include all sorts of things. Healthcare revolution. Next, the detection of early disease. AI that detects diseases early, that will personally treat diseases. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars. Machine learning is already helping to make self-driving cars safer and more efficient. Climate change solutions. AI can use environmental data to predict and mitigate climate impacts. Human-machine collaboration. Machines will enhance human creativity and solve problems creatively. With growth in machine learning, critical value will be given to what used to be called ethics, along with transparency. Our challenge is to see that these technologies benefit humanity. Machine learning with AI, it's changing our world, and you can be part of this revolution. Begin with the basics, experiment with algorithms, and explore tools. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe to Hachion channel for more insightful videos, or enroll in our hands-on certification courses. Together, let's unlock the future of technology. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning, innovating, and transforming the world with AI. By Hachion.